Okay, so we got y dx equals 2 y minus 6. So we're going to separate the variables. Okay, so we get the y's onto the left hand side. Now because this is of course dy by dx here equals to y minus 6, well the y minus 6 is on top, so when I take that over I'm going to divide, yeah? Now there's nothing here, or there's 1 there, isn't it? So I'll have 1 over y minus 6 with respect to y integral, and then dx there, take that over, and there'll just be 1 left here then, so it'll be 1 dx. So integrate this there, it's linear on the bottom, so that means it's ln y minus 6, and this becomes 1, integrate them just becomes x, okay, and then plus a constant. So put your conditions in. When x is 0, y is 8, so ln 8 minus 6 is equal to 0 plus c, okay. So then you've got your, in this case then, ln 2, yeah, would equal to c, alright. Because 8 minus 6 is 2. So going back then to our general solution here, ln y minus 6 is equal to x plus then ln 2. Okay, now you'll notice here I've got ln here, I've got ln here. What we cannot do now is change this to ln, right? We can't do that because this is a variable, isn't it? X changes, okay? So we can't just say this is equal to ln or something because it's not a constant, okay? But we have got single, we've got logarithm here and we've got logarithm there. So how am I going to go about this now to change it so we end up having y equals? Okay, well the plan would be here, because we can't change this, is to get the logarithms together. Okay, so keep the ln y minus 6 as it is. Okay, but that ln 2, take it over the other side, it becomes a minus ln 2. Okay, goes x. And then we've got to think back to the rules of logarithms. When we're taking away logarithms, okay, remember the second rule, when you're taking away, you can write it as a single logarithm, but when you're taking away, we end up dividing the terms. So y minus 6 divided by 2. That's written then as a single logarithm equal to x. Okay, then remember the objective is to get y equals. Okay, so you've got to get rid of this logarithm now. You need to take it over the other side. Think of it that way, yeah? So when you take something over the other side, you do the opposite. And what's the opposite of a logarithm? Well, that will be the exponential, yeah? So when you take it over, you do the inverse operation. So it would be the exponential. So take ln over, it will be e-ing this side, e to the power x. Okay? And then you can just do a little bit of algebra here. Now you can take, because you divided by 2, take that over. Times. And then that minus 6, take that over, it becomes a plus 6. And then you've got your solution to the differential equation. Y equals 2e to the power x plus 6.